Hello, in today's video we will talk about the basics of geometric tolerancing. The base is a theoretical, precise geometric element, for example an axis, a plane or a straight line to which tolerated element is related. It can be formed by one or more basic elements on the part. A set of bases consists of a group of two or more separate bases used as an attraction element for a tolerated element. A base feature is an actual feature of the part, such as an edge, face, or hole used to determine the location of the base. A substitute base element is an actual surface of corresponding correct shape, such as a plate, bearing, or shaft, touching the base element and used to define the base. You can see examples of determining bases in these pictures. Bases are marked with a fillet or empty triangle, as you can see in this picture. The triangle can be connected directly to the base or connected to the tolerance frame, whose arrow indicates the base, as you can see in this picture. References for distinguishing bases are written in capital letters, which are entered in the tolerance box connected to the triangle indicating the base. You can see examples of marking a base formed by one element or a group of identical elements in these pictures. In this picture, you can see examples of marking a common base formed by two elements. And you can see examples of marking bases formed by two or more elements here. That's all for today's video. Please support this content by liking or subscribing to this channel, and we will see you at the next video. Thank you and bye.